In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your file in Canva. Canva automatically saves designs every few seconds after edits. Make sure the save icon is displayed on the menu bar before you close your design. If you notice that your changes are not auto-saving, go to File, then select Save. Make sure you see all changes are saved next to the Save button. The Save icon should also appear on the menu bar. If this doesn't work, if you still have your design open and you notice that changes are not auto-saving, try to create a new design file and copy your existing design. On your browser, open a new tab and go to Canva. Create the same design file in the new tab, go to your existing design, then copy all the pages. Paste the copied pages to the new design file in another tab. This time, make sure the changes are automatically saving. Still encountering the same problem? Check Canva's settings now to see if there are ongoing issues. Go to the status page, canvastatus.com. Here are some things you can do to avoid unsaved design changes going forward. Check if your browser or mobile app version is updated. Update your browser or app to its latest version if needed. For browsers, make sure that JavaScript is enabled. You can also try switching browsers. Ensure you have a fast, stable internet connection, and try clearing your browser's cache and history. Accumulated cookies can sometimes cause trouble. Note that doing this may log you out of other sites. And that's all I've got for you for today. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you have, could you please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. You can also turn on notification bell, which will notify you within a reasonable period of time that a new video is live here on YouTube. Thanks for making it all the way to the end of this video. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. You take care of yourself. See you soon.